All right, guys, today I'm doing a challenge. I have to get 40 words per minute on this typing test. So far, I'm getting like 37s, 38s, 39s. I've gotten a couple 40s, but if I don't get a 40, I have to chug a 40. If that didn't slow me down, I would, but no, if I don't get 40, I have to do push-ups. If I do get 40, I get to play a game of Halo Infinite. That's fair, right?
Fair is fair.
All right, here I go. Dude, I feel pressure.
Now that the camera's on.
Yeah. I'm fucking up, dude. I've already had too many typos.
Yeah, like you can't talk, let alone type. It's fucked up.
All right, I'm stopping this. I'll just restart. See, I got 37, but I hit so many typos. I can't even talk. My own fucking speech has typos. I got 6 typos, 91%. It brought me down to a 34. So I got to do what? 30 push-ups? Let's see. I got 6 typos, so I have to do 6 times 2 push-ups. That's fair, right?
Fair is fair.
Okay. Okay. All right, 40 words per minute right here. I have to do the 3-minute test. That's the rule. Let's go. What the fuck was that?
Me?
All right, let's see. Dude, fuck. All right, see, look, I'm fucking up bad, bro. I got 39 words per minute, but 90%. So I got 11 typos. So it brought me all the way down to a 36. Fuck. Okay, 11 typos times 2. I gotta do 22 push-ups, bruh.
Holy fuck.
This is gonna get me swole.
It might as well game something, right?
I'm gonna need more coffee. All right.
1-to-1 right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but
I can. I'm just out of breath. So many typos. Fuck! Dude, I made way too many typos. I fucked myself so bad with these typos. 41 words per minute. 11 typos again. Brought me down to a 38. Oh my god. I have to do 22 more push-ups.
oh fuck.
It's okay. I can do I normally do like 40 without stopping, so no big deal.
I don't even know if I want to do any.
You like normally do like 1,000 every day.
Yeah, normally I start out with 22 before breakfast, end with 2022.
Right.
I hope you can see me on camera when I'm doing these. What a great idea this was. Oh, I'm so out of breath. All right, here we go. 3 minutes. I'm in Spain without the S. I didn't get it this one.
Fuck.
Because I've made so many typos. 2 seconds. Yeah, I only had 37. Only 4 typos, so. But it's because I was fixing some of my typos, so it slowed me down.
Okay.
I got 4. Well, 8 push-ups. Not bad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Well, they're gonna go into your interview tomorrow. You're probably gonna be massive, and they're like, are you sure you're in the right place? I want you to go in there and smash all the keyboards and be like, how am I supposed to take this test?
I break each one, like as I'm typing, they just break. Look, this sentence, they get me with these. All right, it says in 2021, first off, I have to hit numbers. A 16-year-old girl. How would you think you typed that?
I probably put the numbers in my opinion, but you're probably spelling it out.
It's the number, but it's a 16-year-old.
It's fucking stupid.
And it slows me the fuck down. Fuck.
Honestly, bro, you're better off doing that, and these games are just garbage.
39 with 8 typos brought me to a 36. That means I have 16 chups.
16 chubs.
What the fuck?
Wow.
Holy fuck. These chubs are hard. I mean, chups.
God damn it.
I'm typing about Winnie the Pooh, bro.
Are you still doing ups?
No.
You're fucking passed out dead. I'm like, oh man. Going in.
Oh my god, I might have hit it. An ad. Fuck. People are probably gonna make fun of the fact that I don't have ad block.
Not everybody has money to do that. Fuck off. Then maybe there's something that he needs to buy. 39.
My words per minute typing speed was 42, 94%. I got 7 typos, brought me down to a 39, bruh. One fucking off.
Typos are really hurting.
Fuck, dude. I have to do 14 push-ups, bro.
Bro, you're gonna be fucking jacked. None of your shirts are gonna fit you.
I thought I had that one, bro. I feel like if I would have got one less typo.
That's what it is the typos that are hurting you. Because you're getting the words, but it's like the typos that are fucked, and it's like, oh, well, in reality, I only did this much. If you could somehow fix like the typo situation, that'd probably be your answer. But because I noticed you're hitting
and
the
do these shups. Take
dry
creatine.
scoops.
Is it getting hot in here, or is it just me? Fuck. All right, right here. I need complete bliss and blessings my way. My first word is a fuck up. Dude, I keep hitting 40 on the average, or not on the average, but yeah. It's starting to wear me out. Oh my god. I did it! Let's fucking go! Let's go, bro! Yeah. Oh my god. Dude, I'm sore now. 42 words per minute, only 5 typos, so it brought me down to 40 words per minute.
Oh yeah, exactly what you need.
I hit it like 4 times yesterday. Today I've only hit it once so far. Well, I guess we celebrate with a game of Halo.
Yes, so.
Dude, but we have to win this because if we do, it's the perfect video. Bet.
I feel like you can't even fit in your chair with all those fucking games you just got.
You know what they say?
It is a little tight. I feel
like,
like my neck is just tight from like, I don't know.
Your
push-ups
fucking neck
and-
is as thick as a fucking toilet. You're just like, yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I just don't want to get that small map.
I don't want to get the stair one we just got either. I just got done playing it. I don't want that.
Is this the one you were talking about?
Hold on, I'm not even in it yet.
Damn, you're gonna be pissed.
Oh my god, I knew it. It was gonna give us the. Oh yeah.
Why'd you say, oh yeah? Because the armor?
Yeah, the armor in his mask is fucking sick.
That's a bot.
Skewer kill right here.
Do this.
Skewer kill, skewer kill, skewer kill. Never mind. Ow, fuck.
Let's push. I'm pushing. Fuck, dude, I was back there.
Alright, let's go. We're all here.
Just run with it.
Grab it. I'm trying. No. Oh, dude, we fucking choked.
No, we didn't.
Wait, what?
They're all dead. You got an
Come
overkill.
this way.
Bro. Someone's gotta get it. It's right there, bro.
No, they're in their spawn fucking with them right now. Wow. Bro, I got it halfway. Almost.
I got it.
Yes, he's behind this.
I got it.
Yes. Fuck yeah.
I'm going overtime. So we push right now.
I'm here with you.
I missed it.
Just back me up. Back me up.
Got you.
I'm going.
Got your back. Go.
I'm boosting. No, I dropped it. Let me grab it. Run.
Oh my god, he might get it.
I'm spawning. I'm here.
Let's go! Whoa. Dude, that was
like, you missed
intense.
it.
Alright guys, thank you for helping me on my 40 words per minute challenge. I'll see you next time.